Losing a job can be a difficult experience, but it's even worse when you believe your termination was unfair, or worse, illegal. In North Carolina, wrongful termination isn't simply about being fired unfairly. It's about whether your employer violated the law in the process. North Carolina is an at-will employment state, meaning employers can generally fire employees at any time for almost any reason, or even for no reason at all. However, there are key exceptions where firing someone becomes illegal and qualifies as wrongful termination. One major exception is discrimination. Under federal and state laws, it's illegal for employers to fire someone based on protected characteristics like race, gender, age, if you're over 40, national origin, religion, disability, or pregnancy. If your termination was motivated by any of these factors, it may qualify as wrongful termination. Retaliation is another common form of wrongful termination. Employers cannot legally fire you for standing up for your rights or reporting misconduct. For example, if you reported workplace discrimination, filed a sexual harassment complaint, or acted as a whistleblower by reporting illegal activities, you're protected from being fired in retaliation. Another example is being fired for taking protected leave. Under the Family and Medical Leave Act, or FMLA, eligible employees are entitled to take unpaid leave for specific medical and family reasons without fear of losing their job. If you were terminated while on or shortly after taking FMLA leave, it could be a case of wrongful termination. Employers also can't fire you for refusing to engage in illegal activities. If your employer asks you to do something illegal, such as falsifying documents or violating safety regulations, and you refuse, they can't legally fire you in retaliation for that refusal. Additionally, if you've signed an employment contract that outlines specific terms of your employment, including how and when termination can occur, and your employer violates those terms, you may have grounds for a wrongful termination claim based on breach of contract. And finally, it's illegal for employers to fire you for reporting workplace injuries or filing a workers' compensation claim. North Carolina law protects employees who report on-the-job injuries and seek workers' compensation benefits. If you are terminated after exercising this right, it's likely a case of wrongful termination. Proving wrongful termination can be challenging because employers rarely admit to illegal motives. That's why it's so important to document everything: emails, performance reviews, and any incidents leading up to your termination. An experienced attorney can help you gather evidence, assess your case, and take the appropriate legal steps. At Harmon Law, we understand the impact wrongful termination can have on your livelihood and your future. If you believe you've been wrongfully terminated, we're here to help. Thank you for watching, and take care.